Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you the most important run commands in Windows 11. I've compiled a list of all the important commands every user should know. These commands are powerful shortcuts that allow you to quickly access tools, settings, and utilities without wasting time searching through menus. Memorizing and mastering these commands will boost your productivity, solve problems faster, and give you complete control over your Windows system. And to use any of these commands or shortcuts, first open the Run box. You can open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, or right-clicking on the Start menu icon and selecting Run from the menu. Now let's review the commands one by one with a simple explanation for each command. The first command is taskmgr, which opens the Task Manager window directly. Task Manager allows you to view running applications, background processes, and overall system performance. It helps you close unresponsive applications and monitor CPU, memory, and disk usage. If an application freezes, you can use Task Manager to force close it. It also allows you to manage startup applications, which speeds up your computer's boot time. In short, Task Manager is the easiest way to monitor system performance and quickly resolve many common problems. The next command is msconfig. This will open the System Configuration utility, a built-in Windows tool that helps you manage how your computer starts up and which services or programs load during startup. It's very useful for troubleshooting startup problems, disabling unnecessary applications to speed up boot time, and switching to safe boot mode to fix system problems. In short, it gives you quick control over startup and system behavior. The next command is dxdiag. This command opens the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. It provides detailed information about your system's hardware, especially the graphics card, sound, and display drivers. Users can benefit from it when checking system compatibility for games, troubleshooting display or sound issues, and sharing system details with support teams. It's a quick way to diagnose performance or driver problems. Okay, the next command is recent. This command opens the folder that stores recently accessed files and quickly works on them, without having to search the computer. This saves users time and improves productivity by providing quick access to recently used items. Another command we have is eventvwr.msc, which will open Event Viewer directly in Windows. Event Viewer records all system, security, and application events. It is mainly used to track errors, warnings, and system activity. Its usefulness to users lies in helping them troubleshoot problems, find the cause of malfunctions, and monitor system health. The next command is appwiz.cpl. This command opens the Programs and Features window in the Control panel, allowing you to uninstall, repair, or modify programs installed on your computer. This command is particularly useful if an application is causing problems or if you want to free up storage space. Instead of browsing through menus, you can jump directly to the Uninstall section using this command. It also allows you to add built-in Windows features. The next command is Control, which opens the Control panel directly, and everyone knows its importance. Although Microsoft is moving many options to the new Settings app, the Control panel still contains old, powerful tools. Knowing this shortcut saves time and effort. The next command is services.msc, which opens the Services Manager window directly. This is important because services are the background processes that keep Windows running. From here, you can start, stop, or configure services to fix problems or improve performance. It acts as a behind-the-scenes control room for Windows. The next command is devmgmt.msc. This opens the Device Manager where you can update drivers, troubleshoot hardware, or check for any problems. If you connect a new device, you'll ensure it's working properly. The next command is diskmgmt.msc. This shortcut opens the Disk Management tool, where you can partition, format, or assign drive letters. Adding a new hard drive or SSD is one of the first places IT administrators turn after installing a new drive. The next command is ncpa.cpl, which directly opens network connections. This is important because it displays all your Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters, and you can enable, disable, or troubleshoot your network connection. If your internet connection suddenly drops, this is a quick place to check. The next command is mstsc. This opens a remote desktop connection directly, allowing you to connect to another computer remotely. This is especially useful for IT support. We have another shortcut, calc, which opens the calculator app. It may seem simple, but it's important for performing quick calculations without having to search the Start menu. The next command is OSK, which opens the on-screen keyboard. Its importance lies in providing a virtual keyboard on your screen. If your physical keyboard is broken or you need accessibility support, this tool is the perfect solution. We also have the shortcut charmap, which opens a tool called character map. Its importance lies in the fact that it allows you to access symbols and special characters not available on your keyboard. Writers, designers, and students can quickly copy and paste unique characters from here. The next command is regedit, which opens the Registry Editor, allowing advanced users to modify the Windows registry, the database that controls system settings. The next command is cleanmgr, which will open a tool called disk cleanup. It's important because it removes temporary files, the system cache, and unnecessary clutter. If your computer is slow or your hard drive is full, this quick command can help free up space. The next command is mrt. This command launches Microsoft's Malicious software removal tool, which is important for scanning for and removing common malicious threats. It's not a replacement for antivirus software, but it is a useful built-in layer of protection. The next command is resmon, which opens the Resource Monitor, where you can get a detailed and real-time overview of how your CPU, memory, hard drive, and network are being used. Also, if your system is slow, this tool will show you exactly what is consuming resources. The next command is perfmon.msc, which opens the Performance Monitor tool, allowing advanced tracking of system performance using graphs and logs. IT professionals often use it to identify bottlenecks or monitor long-term performance. The next command is msinfo32. This opens System Information, which provides a comprehensive report of your computer's hardware and software environment. And if you're unsure of your system specifications or need to check compatibility, this is the quickest way. The next command is desk.cpl. This will quickly open display settings, allowing you to quickly adjust the screen resolution and display settings. This is especially helpful when connecting a projector, a second monitor, or adjusting the resolution. The next command is dccw. This command performs the display color calibration wizard, helping you accurately adjust your screen's colors. Photographers, video editors, or anyone interested in precision can use this command to achieve the best display quality. The next command is firewall.cpl, which will open the Windows Defender firewall settings, allowing you to manage which applications can access the internet. For security, this is essential for preventing unauthorized access or troubleshooting connection issues. The next command is logoff. This will log you out of your account, quickly ending your session without shutting down your computer. It's useful when changing users or when you want to safely disconnect. The next command is shutdown/s, which completely shuts down the computer. Its importance lies in its ability to provide a quick alternative to the start menu. The same command is shutdown/r, which restarts the computer, and is important for applying updates, updating the system, or troubleshooting. The next command is psr, which opens the troubleshooting log. Its importance lies in recording everything you do on the screen with step-by-step notes. If you need to explain the problem to technical support, this tool is ideal. The next command is timedate.cpl. This command opens the date and time settings directly and quickly. Here you can quickly change the date, time, and time zone. The next command is powercfg.cpl, which opens the power options settings directly from the control panel, allowing you to modify your power plan to improve performance or save battery power. The next command is winver, which opens the About Windows window, displaying the version and architecture of Windows you are using. This is very useful. I have another important shortcut that allows you to quickly access your files without having to search for this computer. Type C:, and it will open the C drive directly. Or type D:, and it will give you quick access to the D drive. I think it will save you some time. That's it for today's video. I've presented the most important commands that every user should know. By using them, you'll save time, work faster, and have complete control over your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more technical tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.